Hi. Lehone ke tlo dia trade breakdown fast. Ya ya freedom model ne. So ke thomile mo weekly cycle. I think ke kry-ile SMT to the upside. Ashimo level. And then le ka mo wa bona e sweepile low ya se sweepe low ka ya ko daily chart ka kry some overall bias e mpontshitšeng gore price ya godimo wa bona no na le di SMT field to the upside le di fair value gap mara ntho e ne tshwanetse ke lebelele lona ke di body closures tša di candle because tsona ne di closure below and then e mpontšha gore okay price e kana ya retrace before e continue the upside mara se ke lebele so as ke pay attention too much into it which is ntho e ke e learnileng le yona kore ke pay attention mo di candle closures wa bona so ka ya ko 4 hour I think no na le fair value gap to the upside ka go 1 hour no na le weekly cycle so ke weekly cycle ya ka no na le weekly cycle SMT ka ya go 15 minute as ke kry any SSMT mo we 5 minute no SSMT so ka di ka ya go 1 minute x no fetlo fitla ko 1 minute I think ke kry-ile TCISD SSMT le TCISD to the upside akere but it was TCISD on it was too high for entry, like for an optimal entry. So nka emela PSP or form below yona because Nikki expected a bullish bias. So yeah, former, but then yeah, Dimu above yona, like I just the back testing position, but then price area yeah fast, yeah validated the IPSP because I can only TCISD, only ITCISD, only PSP, only ITCISD, and ITCISD invalidated PSP, and then it go in the opposite direction. So Lana mo ne go in the opposite direction, which is what happened. Naked le price la udimo, iloko PSP, then you validator IPSP, yeah, fast. I mean, it gives you like a two risk to reward marana obvious maybe negotiate like a one or something if IPS PSP netloba invalidated and lona for these things that's why it's on so pillows are moody and splitter risk how into two for the TCI still